Do you have a passion for storytelling? Do you dream of being the voice that inform, inspire, impact the world? At Molo Technical College, journey into the exciting world of journalism begins today.
I joined MTVC with a dream. Now I can write, report, and produce news like a professional.
Our journalism course, equipped with practical reporting skills, radio and TV production techniques, digital media and online journalism, interviewing and news writing expertise.
Here at Molo Technical, we don't just teach, we build future for media professionals.
Whether you want to be a reporter, news anchor, or radio presenter, or digital content creator, this is your chance. Visit Molo Technical and Vocational College today and enroll in your journalism career course. Limited slot available. Apply now and turn your passion into a profession. Molo Technical and Vocational College, shaping your future in media.